Is it the right time to make a decision on Realty Income stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Realty Income. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, October 30, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 26, 2023, our system has identified Realty Income as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -5.10. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -7.17%. This means that on average, the stock has been declining by -2.39% per day since it was labeled as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected -20.23% change in the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between -22.02% and -15.07%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a -18.91% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -10.93% to 5.27%. This indicates a price range of $41.17 to $48.66 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Realty Income brings news about the stock price of Realty Income. On Monday, the stock price fell by more than 5.67%, closing at $46.22. Let's dive into the details. On the last trading day, which was Monday, October 30, 2023, the Realty Income stock price experienced a decline of 5.67%. It went from $49 to $46.22. Throughout the day, the stock showed a fluctuation of 7.05%, reaching a low of $45.04 and a high of $48.21. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in an overall decrease of 8.91%. Notably, the volume of shares traded increased by 31 million on the last day, even though prices were falling. This could potentially indicate an early warning and a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $1.61 billion worth of Realty Income shares were bought and sold, with a total of 35 million shares exchanged. Moving on to the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price recorded during this period was $68.85, while the lowest price was $45.04. Currently, the stock price is 32.87% or $22.63 below the 52-week high. It is also 45.57% or $38.70 below the all-time high, which was reached on February 20, 2020, with a price of $84.92. Today, we'll be discussing analyst ratings for a popular company. Let's start with the latest report from BTIG on June 30, 2023. They gave the company a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to another influential rating, Scotiabank upgraded the company's rating to sector outperform on April 12, 2023. Lastly, on August 2, 2022, CBRE gave the company a positive grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Realty Income stock a strong buy rating overall. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Realty Income. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between these two signals also indicates a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. If the stock experiences corrections and moves upwards, it will face resistance at the price levels of $48.89 and $50.82. Breaking above these levels would issue buy signals. On Tuesday, October 17, 2023, a sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 9.32% decline so far. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It is worth noting that volume increased during the stock's decline, which could be an early warning and should be monitored closely. Let's explore some other interesting signals. Moving average convergence divergence, it's a buy signal. Pivots, it's a sell signal that occurred 10 days ago. Bollinger, it's a buy signal that occurred 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, it's a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, there is no recent sell signal. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that occurred 62 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it's a buy signal that occurred 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's a sell signal that occurred 66 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that occurred 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Realty Income. Today's level lacks support from accumulated volume, which means there is a possibility of poor performance in the next few days. However, this stock generally exhibits controlled movements and has good liquidity, which makes the risk quite low. In the previous day, the stock fluctuated between its high and low by $3.18 or 7.05%. Over the past week, its average daily volatility has been 2.66%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Realty Income, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a key measure that compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. Realty Income has a relatively normal P/E ratio, which is often seen in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected to be released on November 6, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $1. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Realty Income. If the stock is experiencing an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $54.10. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering entering a position. On the other hand, if you already hold the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. However, it's important to note that there isn't any significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially experience a sharp drop. Therefore, it's crucial to exercise caution and only place trades if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Realty Income has received a strong buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On June 22, 2023, Kelly Christie B. purchased 7,924 shares of common stock as an insider. On May 23, 2023, Kelly Christie B. sold 545 shares of common stock as an insider. On May 23, 2023, Ronald Merriman bought 4,000 shares of common stock as an insider. On May 23, 2023, Gregory McLaughlin purchased 4,000 shares of common stock as an insider. On May 23, 2023, Michael D. McKee bought 4,000 shares of common stock as an insider. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative with a ratio of -0.538. In total, insiders have bought 56,955,957 shares and sold 56,823,252 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and as of now, no stop loss has been set. Is Realty Income stock a good buy? Realty Income currently shows several negative signals and is experiencing a downward trend, indicating that it may perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Additionally, our analysis has downgraded this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in its technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price of Realty Income is undervalued. When trading begins on Tuesday, October 31st, we expect Realty Income to open with a rise of $0.268 and start trading at $46.49. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinion. What's your target for this stock? Let us know. Also, if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful time ahead. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.